Hi there, this is another 1 minute video. What I'm going to do is just copy, effectively make parallel lines from this feature. If you go to the construct section here for copy parallel, and then you select your line work. I've actually got some previous ones there, so that's why that's drawn up. But the way you use it is you can keep the source attribute values, so you can copy everything to the repeated sort of features. Let's make it 10 meters. And then because I've got show preview selected down here, as I change it and repeat it, it'll draw them right across every 10 meters. I can change it to just make it sure it's both sides or just to the right. I can change the way the corners look and remove any self-intersections. But you get this nice sort of preview effect. And if you like what you see, then press copy, and here's the attribute. And you'll see it appear. Press copy, and there they are, all appearing. That was a few seconds over 1 minute. Thank you.